This is a playhouse that was built for somebody. It's got electric in it, ceiling fan. And this is his property. It goes all the way over there. Look at this brickwork here. Look how beautiful this is. This is actually like a man cave. Yeah, bro. Look how big this man cave. Look at the driveway. Yeah, Zach, you need to get you a big ass. You could fucking put like 2 hoops up. You know, I don't like grass. I would rather my shit be all hard top. You know what I'm saying? Black top.
What's the cut?
Look at that.
I want 2 basketball goals.
Lupe's over there messing with them puppies.
Basketball court going back and
Right,
forth.
right.
What is your mama? What
Get
is
this
that,
up.
baby?
This is the mom to those puppies. Look how pretty she is. What you doing, baby? Oh, you want some kisses? You want some kisses? You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Don't jump, don't jump.
Molly, no.
Molly, pretty baby. Molly's the one I saw on the internet, and I was like, man, that's a badass dog. Same eyes, everything, dude. She's just pretty, dude.
Are you videoing?
Yeah. Look at this. This goes out. This is the back of the house. Then you got the pool.
Which is drained.
Oh, the pool flexes out once the water's in there?
Yeah.
Look, this is the back patio. Beautiful patio. Look at this. Statues and brickwork. Stairs going up. That's just beautiful, dude. And then it's got like some type of a pond back here.
In summer there's so much snakes in it, but right now there probably ain't no snakes.
Yeah, look at this. Someone spent a lot of money on this pond. Look at this thing. It's crazy.
That's a fake rock. You put that over and that's how you turn it on.
Oh, I got you. Where the electricity is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not the pump center, that big.
Okay, got
That's
you.
where the pump is. The electric's on the pole behind it.
Well, that's nice though. See, like they ran electricity out here.
See, Papa, check.
Oh, okay. No, I mean, maybe one.